Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to crochet this loop scrunchie. It's very easy to do as I am using basic crochet stitches like single crochets, double crochets and chain stitches. So let's see how this is worked out. The materials that we need in order to crochet the loop scrunchie are a 3.5 mm crochet hook, any good quality elastic band. I've taken this multicolored 4-ply cotton yarn and scissors. So let's begin. First make a slip knot. Holding the band in this way, insert your hook through the band and pull this yarn through this. And work one chain. Now placing the yarn tail beneath, going through this band, work one single crochet. So the sequence of this round is to just work single crochets all around the band till the band gets completely covered up with single crochets. So just continue working single crochets in this way. And also gather the stitches together like this so that there is no gap between the stitches. So here I have almost come to the end of the first row by working single crochets all the way around the band. Now in order to end this round, slip stitch into the first single crochet. So that completes the first row. Now for the second row, work 3 chains. And these 3 chains will be considered as the first double crochet, and going back into the same stitch, work 2 more double crochet. So including the first 3 chains, in total I have worked 3 double crochets. Now going into the next stitch, work 3 double crochet. So the sequence of this round is to work 3 double crochet into each of the single crochet worked till the end of the round. So just continue with this sequence. After working the last set of 3 double crochet, I have slip stitched into the third chain. Now we shall work with the last round of our scrunchie. We will be working with the chain stitches. For that, work 1 chain and going into the same stitch, work 1 single crochet. Chain 12. So here I work the 12 chains. Going into the next stitch, work 1 single crochet. Again work 12 chains. And going into the next stitch, work 1 single crochet. So this is a sequence that will be following for the entire round. So just continue with this sequence till the end of the round. After working the last chain 12 loop, I have slip stitched into the first single crochet and cut the yarn. Also, I have weaved in all the loose ends on the inner side. So that completes our loop scrunchie tutorial. I hope you found this tutorial really very useful as well as interesting too. In case of any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.